Imam Muslim has reported this hadith with two other authorities. Follow's narration says, prejudice left him benighted. Saleh's narration says, prejudice stimulated him. Saleh's narration adds, Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha would dislike to reproach Hazrat Hassan, he was one of the slanderers, and say, Hassan has said, undoubtedly my father's, my mother's, and my honor is only to protect the honor of Hazrat Muhammad S.A.W. This narration also adds, the man who was calumniated, Hazrat Safwan bin Mu'attal Sulami, would say, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, in whose possession my soul stays, I have never exposed any woman. Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, after this event, he embraced martyrdom in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Yaqub bin Ibrahim's narration says, Mu'irina fi Nahri Zahira. Abdul Razzaq has narrated Mu'ghirin. Abd bin Humayd says that he asked Abdul Razzaq, what is the meaning of Mu'ghirin? He replied that Wagharahu means scorching heat. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6952.